All right. Good morning and welcome everyone. We are already joined by 13 attendees and welcome to Daily Bloom IBS Ultimate Fitness and Diet Solution webinar. We'll wait for a couple of minutes and let everyone else also join. Meanwhile, you can drop your questions or drop me a hi in the comment to let us know that you are here. Please drop a hi and probably to which part of India you belong to and what you do, what is your profession. Let's get to know each other a little better before we get into the technical insights of the webinar. All right. Guys, let's make it a little more engaging and I want all the attendees to put their responses in the chat box. And I can see Maitri saying hi to us. All right. How about others? How is others doing? How about you, Arutas? Okay. All right. Okay, so why are we doing this webinar? The team of Dr. Reddy's at Daily Bloom IPS is very passionate about spreading the awareness about irritable bowel syndrome because this condition is often misunderstood by the population, especially we as Indians, because the digestive problems we usually resolve with few quick home remedies, but the problem is much more deep into that. Okay, Arup is saying hi. Hi, Arup. Good morning. Good morning, Srikant. Good morning, Harika. Good morning, Sri Durga. I hope everyone's doing well. And thank you for joining us on Saturday morning and giving us your valuable time to understand realms of IBS and gut health. All right. So let's make a quick promise to each other that this won't be a one-sided conversation. Let's keep it engaging and two-way communication. Let it keep going and flowing. And you can drop your questions in the chat box. Our panelists will be taking it in the end. We'll wait for another 3 minutes. So these webinar series have been launched ever since the program, the digital platform of Daily Bloom IBS came into the picture. And successfully so far, we have conducted more than 100 webinars for nutrition, for yoga, and for psychology. And nutrition and psychology webinars happens every Saturday, whereas yoga webinars are happening thrice in a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure you are there to energize yourself and give a kickstart to your morning. They're happening every other day at 8 a.m. Make sure you're there to attend. All right, Adarsh is saying hi to us. Hi Adarsh, hi Shrikant. I hope everything is going well. And I hope you had a lovely Saturday morning. All right. We can see a lot of people have joined and Hitendra is saying hi to us. Hi Vikram, hi, good morning. May I know from which part of India do all of us come to? By the way, I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, but as of now I'm sitting in Hyderabad. So hi from Hyderabad, everyone. How about others? Drop your answers in the chat box. Okay, Vikram says he's also from Hyderabad. Hi Vikram, it's all sunny and bright in Hyderabad. Good day to be here. Yeah. Sri Durga is saying she's from Chennai. Hi, Sri Durga. Harish says he's from Malaysia. Hi, Harish. So we have some of the patients from the sea overseas as well. Lovely to see you, Harish. All right. How about others? Arup is also saying, so we have a lot of people joining us from Hyderabad. Good to see, good to see. Yes. Okay, so how many of you are attending these sessions for the very first time, may I know? Is this your first time or have you also attended the sessions in the past as well? Okay, Shrikant says it's his very first time and Hitendra is saying that he's from Nagpur. Hi Hitendra, I hope all Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations are all packed and you're having a fun time. Okay, Sonu also says it's his first time. Welcome, Sonu. And Vikram is also saying it's his very, very first time. So, welcome, guys, welcome. And I think we can get started. It's already 11:05. All right, lovely. Welcome, everyone, to the ultimate webinar by Daily Bloom IBS Dr. Reddy's Fitness Solution and Diet Solution for IBS Management. So I want all the attendees to drop a thumbs up emoji in the chat box if they have experienced or know someone who has experienced gut issues in the past. Yes, come on, you can type your answers in the chat box, and I want to know how many of you have been experiencing gut issues, or is it your first, or you know someone who has been experiencing gut issues? Okay, Ankana says she's also experiencing gut issues. How about others? Okay, Aditya is also saying that he's from Delhi and joined for the first time. Aditya, are you experiencing any gut issues, or do you know anyone who is suffering from one? All right, Rakesh says it's his first time. All right. Okay, Ankana, Aditya, I hope by the end of this today's webinar, you'll have quick tips and hacks in order to how to manage your IBS condition and symptoms in a more holistic way. And we'll just get going. So, how will you be benefiting from today's webinar? So today's webinar is going to be all about expert tips and tricks. Today we'll be also learning and engaging in your personalized diet plan and some quick tips for healthy gut, and make sure you are there till the end because we'll be also releasing a free 25 plus IBS friendly recipe booklet. So make sure you're there till the end, and we'll be also having a fun quiz and Q&A round on IBS. So make sure you enter your questions in the chat box, and our amazing panelists will be taking it up in the Q&A round. So let's get started. So now that we are here discussing deep diving about gut health, so let's just understand why gut health has actually become the buzzword of fitness and health industry. Because gut health today is the gateway towards your body. It impacts your mood, your digestion, your skin. In fact, it is producing few of the very important vitamins of your body and thus impacting your overall well-being. So I request all my lovely attendees to make sure they check out the Gut Health Index developed by Dr. Reddy's in-house gastroenterologist, nutritionist, psychologist, and yoga experts. It's a free gut health index which gives us clarity where do you stand on gut health. Why have we done it? Because we have a lot of tools and diagnostics to check your cholesterol levels, your diabetes, blood sugar, but nothing as such to check your gut health. So that is the step in one direction by Dr. Reddy's. You can scan the QR code and check your gut health score. I want everyone to check their gut health score immediately. Dropped by our team in the chat box. That is the link. Click on the link, enter your symptoms, and check what is your gut health index, and let me know what is your score looks like in the chat box. You can drop your score. So I want to see how many of you are checking your gut health score. So can any one of you drop me what does your score look like? You can click on the link shared by my team in the chat box. Feel free to check your gut health score. Okay. Okay, Ankana says her gut health score is 39. All right. So a score below 40 is actually your gut is asking for immediate help and relief. And an ideal score is usually anywhere between 90 to 100. And that is where the Daily Bloom IBS team comes into the picture and will be hand holding you from a score of 40 to a score of 90 to 100. Shrikant says his score is 68. Hitendra says his score is 37. And Raghavendra says his score is 58. Lovely, lovely. How about others? Sunil Kumar Gupta has raised his hand. Sunil, you can type it in the chat box and I can take it up. I'm pretty sure by the end of this session, by the end of this webinar, you will know how to take your score from 38, 39, 60, 70, right on the top to 90 or 100. Yes, lovely. All right, so let's get started. I hope all of you have checked your gut health score. And I'll just do a quick introduction of our amazing panelists who have joined us this morning. Hi, I am Simran and I'll be the moderator host for today's webinar. You can drop your questions in the chat box. I'll be taking it up, and by profession I am also a nutritionist, and I can see few names here with whom I have interacted in the past as well. So hello to everyone. Moving further, we have our senior lead coach nutritionist, Dhruvi Shah. Welcome, Dhruvi, for today's webinar. By profession, Dhruvi is also a nutritionist. She's also a registered dietitian, a FODMAP clinical nutritionist, and so far she has consulted over 1,500 patients for IBS. Thank you, Dhruvi, for joining us today. Yes, moving further, we have amazing yoga expert, co-founder and instructor with us, Malika Jain. She is India's renowned yoga expert and who has been also handling our yoga sessions happening every other morning. Thank you, Malika. Looking for some power-packed yoga poses and asanas moving further in the webinar. Thank you so much for joining us today. All right. Yes, so let's now understand a little about what is IBS, how it impacts one's life, what precautions you can take from the dietary and stress management point of view. Over to you, Dhruvi.
Thank you, Simran, for the introduction. Hello, everyone. Let's talk about what IBS is. A lot of people are confused when they face symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, etc. Is it simply a gut issue or is it an indication for something else? Now, most of these symptoms are indicative of IBS, and a gastroenterologist will be a better person to help you understand and diagnose it. But 75% of Indians lack a formal diagnosis for IBS. It is often thought that IBS is some normal gut issue which can be solved by a simple home remedy. But let me shed some light on what exactly IBS is and what are its causes. Now, IBS is misunderstood and dismissive as a simple digestive issue rather than a complex gut-brain interaction. So IBS is irritable bowel syndrome, a gastrointestinal disorder, which is characterized by symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, altered bowel habits for over 6 months, such as diarrhea, constipation, or a combination of both. Now, what happens is when we consume high FODMAP food, which are poorly absorbed in the gut and it is not digested completely there and moves on to the intestine, which is ideally not the place for food to be digested. But here it gets broken down and into smaller parts for absorption. And this digestion or this breakdown takes a longer period of time. And hence the food stays for a longer period of time in the intestines. Now, because of it, it causes inflammation. This inflammation in turn would lead to the symptoms that are faced. There are several factors that are thought to contribute to its development. Now, one of it could be the gut-brain the connection is disrupted, wherein the gut is not receiving proper signals from the brain or vice versa. It could also be because of gut microbiome imbalance or certain food sensitivities, stress and anxiety. Sometimes it could be because of post-infectious IBS or hormonal change. Now, I mentioned a word FODMAP. Now, what FODMAP is exactly? So FODMAP is fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. So these are certain sugar that is present in most of the food that we consume. Now, these sugars are present in approximately 80 to 90% of carbohydrates that we are consuming. So it's very difficult to understand what is to be eliminated, what is to be included. Now, these FODMAP food, high FODMAP food, generally includes certain fruits like apple, plum, pomegranate, pear, etc. Certain vegetables like peas, beetroot, mushrooms, etc. Certain milk and milk products. It also includes wheat, rava, onion, garlic, chole, rajma, and a lot of other food items. Okay. Now, there are few triggers that also leads to the symptoms, which could be basic triggers as not eating food on time, or eating unhealthy, or maintaining a unhealthy lifestyle, eating outside food, oily food, spicy food, etc. So now what you see on the screen here are healthy food swaps, which are uh, okay for a patient with IBS to eat. So the ones which are unsafe is cashew nut, honey, beetroot, semolina, wheat flour, versus the safer one for cashews, peanuts, honey is sugar, for beetroot it's carrot, for semolina it's sabudana, and for wheat flour it's a millet flour. So now all these unsafe food are high in certain of these high FODMAP food that we just discussed about. And the ones which are safe are comparatively a low FODMAP food and which are easily tolerated by the gut and digested by the gut. Hence, these swaps are something which is important to do.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Dhruvi, for that, for the common food swaps for IBS. And I'm pretty sure our audience must have taken the screenshot of the slide in order to ensure what are the safe foods in IBS and what are the unsafe food. I know today is not the day to ask you for an IBS friendly recipe since we are running short on time. But if possible, can you please share a quick recipe, an IBS friendly recipe, which is also kitchen friendly and our audience can easily prepare and cook at home?
Sure. What you see on screen is a IBS friendly recipe. So I know that upon hearing the word tadka, a lot of people are scared to try out the recipe, considering that it may trigger some symptoms. But rest assured, the recipe is gut friendly and you can enjoy without facing any symptoms. So the ingredients that are mentioned on the screen, like moong dal, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cumin, etc. So these are something which you can enjoy without facing a symptom. Just a simple swap from tur dal or rajma to a moong dal and adjusting the spices as per the tolerance, one can enjoy the healthy recipe that, and one can pair it up with a bowl of jeera rice without facing any symptom. This works magic, and know that portion control and moderation is the key, which is an important factor here, which you can ask an expert and will help you out in modifying the recipe, making it IBS friendly.
All right. Thank you, Dhruvi. Thank you for this IBS friendly dal tadka recipe. I hope the audience has taken the screenshot and stay tuned till the end because we'll be also sharing 25 plus IBS friendly recipes for all the attendees till the end. So make sure you are there. So to make the webinar a little fun and exciting, we have a quick quiz for every one of you. So we have two simple questions here to understand better what Dhruvi has told us just now about IBS and diet. So let's get started. Please make sure you enter or put your answers in the chat box, and the correct respondents will be also receiving an IBS free booklet from our team. So the question number one is an apple safe to eat in IBS or not? Your options are yes, no, don't know. Okay, so Shrikant says no. Aditya also says no. Sri Durga says yes. Ankana is also saying yes. Arup Das says no. Hitendra is also saying no. Deepak also says no. Lovely. So Dhruvi, can you please shed a little more light on this particular question and help us understand how should we move forward about this?
Sure. So I sort of gave out the answer when I was explaining, but Apple is something which is not okay and is not IBS friendly. We do say that apple a day keeps the doctor away, but in IBS, apple is actually high in fructose and sucrose, which is from a high FODMAP category, and it causes discomfort and is poorly digested in the gut, leading to gut problems. So, no.
All right. Thank you, Dhruvi. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the attendees for giving us their answers in the chat box. And we can quickly move to our last question, which is yes. So, which of these is an IBS friendly vegetable? So, we have three options on the screen. Option number one is cauliflower, option number two is carrot, option number three is French beans. So, please put your answers in the chat box. So, a lot of you says the correct answer is carrots. Okay, Raghavinder is also saying carrot is the correct answer. All right. Anuj is also saying carrot is the right answer here. So yes, Dhruvi, can you please break the myth and help us understand which is the right answer as our audience is on the right path or not?
Yeah, the audience are definitely right. Carrot is IBS friendly, but also know that French beans is something which is IBS friendly when taken in moderation. Now, cauliflower is something which is considered as high FODMAP as it contains mannitol, which is a polyol, and it is poorly absorbed in the small intestine, leading to fermentation in the gut. Now, this fermentation process can produce gas and draw a lot of water from into the colon, which may cause symptoms like bloating, gas, and discomfort. So cauliflower is not IBS friendly, but the other two are definitely IBS friendly.
Oh, lovely, lovely. I think that was a newfound information for us as well today. So thank you, Dhruvi, for that. That how French beans and carrot can also be IBS friendly. Thank you for that. And without wasting any further time, let's deep dive into how IBS and stress is related. Because food is just one piece of the puzzle. Stress is one of the common complaints that we have hugely seen in IBS. So I would like to invite our amazing panelist Malika Jain to throw some light on how stress and IBS is related and how we can manage it more effectively. Yes, over to you, Malika.
Thank you, Simran. I would love to cater to this question. So, in human body, there are 72,000 of nadis. They are known as energy centers. Now, your gut and your brain, they are related through a nerve which is called as a vagus nerve. Now, what is happening if your gut, your digestive fire, Agni, is low in your body, it will going to affect your brain. And at the same time, if you are stressed, it will going to affect your gut. So this vagus nerve sends signals to your gut and your brain. So if we do some specific yoga asanas and mindful breathing, it will going to help you to ignite this digestive fire, which is very, very helpful to manage the IBS. And at the same time, when we do deep breathing, pranayama, they help you to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which again help you to reduce the stress hormones from your body. So yoga can be a great tool to um, uh, relate with the IBS and be helpful to regulate your IBS.
All right. Thank you, Malika. Definitely, yoga is one of those techniques which India has gifted us to get relief from IBS related condition. And we are so thankful to have you today as one of our panelists to help us understand. So let's just have a quick look at the video. What does this gut brain axis actually stands for? So yes, please
If
make
you
sure.
ever felt anxious before a big meeting or a difficult conversation, racing mind, sweaty palms, panicky and flustered, along with your stomach in twists and turns, you are not alone. We've all felt this way. This is your gut brain axis in action, a communication link that remarkably syncs your emotions and your gut health. To give you more context, the gut brain axis is a complex network connecting your mind to your intestines. Trillions of tiny microbes in your gut also join this conversation, impacting your digestion, mood, and even your daily choices. Your gut houses the enteric nervous system, sometimes called the second brain. It controls digestion and sends signals to the brain, influencing your emotional and mental well-being.
All right, I think definitely this video helps us to understand how the gut brain axis is dictating our mood, our digestion, our everyday life choices. So, Malika, can you help us, our attendees, to understand how yoga asanas can really help us and what poses should we actually do on a day-to-day level?
Yes, Simran. So, if you are suffering from IBS or any gut related issues, forward bends are very, very beneficial. So, when you do forward bends, like a Paschimottanasana, like a sitting forward bend or any standing forward bends, they help you to strengthen your abdominal muscles and which help you to regulate your gut related problems. At the same time, when we do any twisting asanas, they again help you to give a good massage to your abdominal region. And when the abdomen is getting this kind of massage and strengthening, it will definitely going to fight with the gut related issues.
All right, all right. Thank you, Malika. I think definitely twisting turns can help us ease our IBS related symptoms and can also focus on our digestive muscles and, as you rightly pointed out, on our Agni of our body. So, thank you for that. And let's not wait any further time. We'll do a quick Q&A round. Drop your questions in the chat box and our amazing panelists will be answering them it for you. So drop your answers in the chat box and our panelist Dhruvi, nutritionist, Malika, yoga instructor will be taking them up for you. So Shrikant is asking us, I don't get my stomach cleared in one go and need frequent trips to washroom to clear it in no matter what I eat. This is very random and I don't seem to figure out the reason. Please provide your valuable insights over this. So, Dhruvi, can you please help us understand the query raised by Shrikant that he's having uh, multiple trips to the washroom and he does not figure out what is the reason behind it. So can you please help us understand and give him quick tips on how he can get relief from it?
Sure. Hi, Shrikant. Thank you for the question. So, I understand that frequent trips, meaning you have IBS-D. Now, know that not following a proper lifestyle could cause triggers, even if you are having certain food which is not tolerated by gut, like I said. So that could lead to diarrhea. Now, what generally happens is when you're eating a food, certain food like papaya or a flax seeds or something which are triggers. Now, when you're eating certain food, they're not digested or tolerated by your gut correctly. Now, when the tolerance is low, that's when you start facing these symptoms. So, simply switching on to a soft diet or simply correcting your meal patterns is something that can help you reduce the frequent trips. Now, understand that managing IBS takes a little longer time, so make sure you're giving it your entire a complete dedication, wherein which will help in reducing the symptoms.
All right. Thank you, Dhruvi. Thank you for that quick response and on how we can actually manage our condition. That really helps. I hope, Shrikant, your query has been resolved. So, second question we have from Sri Durga Sridhar is, can also patient do yoga and stretching? How about that, Malika? Can you please address this question for us?
Yes, Simran. So yoga can be actually practiced by anyone, whether it's ulcer or it's bloating or it's back pain or any other issues. But the yoga should be done with a moderate level. You can't do intense stretching, because if you are doing intense stretching or intense kind of a yoga, it will going to trigger your ulcers. But if you are doing anything in a moderate level, it will going to give you a good support to your disease or anything which you are suffering.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Malika. That really helps. And Vikram is asking us whether diet and yoga would help to address the IBS issue. Dhruvi, can you please answer it for us? He's asking, is diet and yoga is sufficient in itself to address the issue of IBS?
Right. So, like I said, there are multiple factors that weigh in when somebody is facing a trigger for IBS. Diet and yoga is just one part. You should also be focusing on living a healthier lifestyle, on stress levels, your water intake, your sleep cycle, correcting your D3 levels, and certain other things. So when all of this, basically a holistic approach towards this will help in curing the issue. There's not just one particular thing where you're focusing on and leaving out rest of the part, which could, the other things apart from diet and yoga is something that could cause a symptom. And that's the reason why everything or a holistic approach is what you should be looking at.
All right. Thank you, Dhruvi. Thank you for that. And Vikram, stay tuned till the end because we'll be demystifying some of the common myths that people have about IBS. And definitely, diet, yoga, overall well being plays a crucial role in IBS management because once we understand what is the actual trigger point for you, we'll be able to solve a lot of issues there. So thank you, Dhruvi, and thank you, Malika, for taking up these questions. And don't worry, for whom we were not able to answer, Deepak, Garima, Zeenat, our team will be dropping a Google form link in the chat box. You can drop your name, phone number, details, and your question. Our team will be connecting with one-on-one with you to help you understand how you can manage your condition, be it for constipation or what right food you can actually include in your diet. So yes, feel free to enter your answers in the Google form. My team has just now shared it in the chat box. Please click on the link, enter your questions and queries, and our team will definitely reach out to you with the correct answer and approach. All right. Moving further, now I want to talk about something very crucial and important in IBS, profoundly misunderstood. What is that? A lot of people have this perception in IBS that a generic healthy diet would work, but that's not the case. In fact, a lot of people think that there are no triggers of mine. Initially, I was able to have so and so food, so why is the problem arising now? So that is number two. Third, a lot of people think that if some food is not working for me, I need to restrict irrelevant of whether it is actually the trigger or the ingredient which you have added in your recipe. So we'll be demystifying all these myths and giving you fresh perspectives. So yes, today is going to be a lot about learning and unlearning a lot of things. So the very first thing is it's important to understand what food is actually the trigger for you. We need to also work upon what is your trigger. It is not necessary that what has been projected as a trigger for A IBS patient, it will also be a trigger for B IBS patient. So that is where individualization and personalization part comes. And thirdly, lifelong restriction is not really required. Why? Because again, it can lead to a lot of nutritional deficiencies. So this point, I want to take a live real-time example of two IBS patients. So patient number A is also suffering from IBS who mentions that every time I take apples, it gives me cramps. Whereas patient number B, who's also suffering from IBS, says that apple never gives me cramps. Why is that so? Why the trigger is varying? The same food, two different people, two different impacts. Why? The answer is simple. The triggers vary from person to person. So let me just share few IBS relief stories who were able to find out and understand what foods are actually working for them, what is the emotional trigger that is causing a problem and worry to them. So here on screen we have a 26-year-old male from Delhi who came us to with complaints of diarrhea and 10 to 15 kg of weight loss within a period of 4 months. Before coming to our program, he also thought that probably wheat, apples, onion, garlics are my trigger and I should completely avoid it. He was pretty frustrated with his life and even stopped going to the gym and resigned from his job as well. But slowly and steadily, when he followed the program with 100% commitment and dedication, within 4 weeks, he was able to see noticeable changes in his symptoms. His appetite was coming back. He was able to regulate his emotions in a more holistic manner. And by the end of 14 weeks, he was able to unlock what were his triggers and what are the IBS safe food which he can explore. So in this case, apple is not a trigger for him. He can easily enjoy it. Moving further, we have a 40-year-old female from Hyderabad who came to us with complaints of constipation. And let me tell you, her appetite drastically reduced. She was merely having 700 kilocalories per day and she was very frustrated. She was having torn relationship with her friends, family, and also stayed in a joint family. But the Daily Bloom IBS team handhold her in the entire 14 weeks journey. We were able to unlock few of her favorite foods such as non-vegetarian. She thought before coming to the program that I cannot enjoy chicken, eggs and others. But when she came, the nutritionist helped her understand it's not the chicken, it's actually the ingredients which you're adding in. And here in this case, I want to highlight that apple was a trigger for her. So that's why the limitation, the safe portion size for her was 150 grams. So you see here from patient to patient how triggers drastically differ, and we were able to help these patients to take their score from 30 to 39, from 80 up till 90. So I hope one of you can be one of these IBS relief story success patient. And yes, let's get started and understand a little more about how IBS actually perpetuates in our work, in our academics, in our career. Because we understand the symptoms of IBS can be very frustrating. In fact, the studies have shown that IBS patients are twice as likely to take week off from work compared to their colleagues not having IBS. Along with that, it severely impairs one quality of life. The patient is robbed of from the freedom to socialize, to travel, social contacts, and that feeling of fearfulness, shame, and embarrassment clutches them deeply. And that is why, keeping in mind how IBS deeply impacts a patient's life, we bring to you India's very first integrated care plan, which is Daily Bloom IBS. I hope all of you have downloaded our application of Daily Bloom IBS, which helps you give quick tips and tricks in order to how to manage your condition better. Daily Bloom IBS care plan has been launched by Dr. AD's team, which is a known name in health industry, and the IBS care plan works on simple three pillars of the care plan. Pillar number 1 is diet management. Pillar number 2 is emotional well-being. Pillar number 3 is yoga asana. We had over 5,000 plus patients on a care plan, and 80% of them have seen relief in their symptom, and 50% symptoms have been gone down after 14 weeks. So what does this Daily Bloom IBS care plan includes? It's a 14 weeks care plan comprising of 4 simple yet very effective phases. Phase 1 is discovery, where we understand what has been patient going through, where we take a deep dietary recall and medical history of patient in order to understand what have been their symptoms and journey with gut health and IBS. Phase 2 is gut cleanse. Gut cleanse is all about removing all possible sort of triggers from your diet and giving you gut friendly alternatives. So within 4 weeks, you'll start noticing changes in your symptoms, and that is when we move to phase 3 of reintroduction. Because we understand that you cannot do a lifetime restriction, we add back joy, your favorite foods, back to your life. Phase 4 is sustenance, where we help you sustain habits for the rest of your life. So that is about the 4 phases of our care plan. Along with that, we are taking a deep dietary recall in order to understand what are your food preferences, likes, dislike, geographical location. Because a lot of time people tell us that we went on some another plan, and the plan which we got moving further was completely different from our eating habits. So that is one thing Daily Bloom always takes care about. We also have a flare-up reporting option on our application, which you can easily access. It's a small fire icon, because we understand some days patient let it loose, some day they're having food from the outside. So we give them the freedom to report the flare-up in order to understand why it has happened and how we can manage it effectively better. Along with that, after all 4 phases, we also give you a progress report which states us the symptom reduction in your symptoms from day 1 till the 14th week. So make sure you download the application, check it out on the website to get the effective relief from IBS. So why should you join the program? What will you get if you join today's Daily Bloom IBS Dr. Reddy's Care Plan? What are the benefits out of it? Benefit number 1 is freedom from your symptoms. You know the effective management strategy. You know how to handle your constipation better. You know what yoga asanas you need to do in order whenever that abdominal pain strikes. You know what foods work for you. You know what is the right quantity. You need not do the lifelong restriction because now you have the power, you have the courage to try, go out and socialize. Your work productivity is being improved. You're more present in family gatherings, function, social parties and corporate meetings. An improved response to stress is the benefit you get when you do the mindfulness activities specially designed for you by our clinical psychologists and yoga experts. You can travel fearlessly with an ease without a worry to rush to the washroom. You can enjoy your food favorites, be it chicken, be it mangoes, be it apples, be it cutlets, whatever you want. We try and give you the best possible care. So what do you get out of this comprehensive care plan? You are getting 14 weeks of personalized diet plans, sessions, psychologist session, nutritionist, one-on-one sessions are there in languages like Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada, whatever that is convenient for you. We have the best person to assist you. Smart tracking of your symptoms is there, monitoring of each and every symptom day-wise, and 42 yoga training sessions are also being provided. So that is what you get in this comprehensive care plan of Daily Bloom IBS. And all of this is there at a value purchase of 12,000 rupees. So if you go on our application, our website, the diagnostics, the session, yoga modules, progress reporting, 5,000 plus IBS friendly recipes, all of this is there at rupees 12,000. But since all the attendees, the lovely respondents have joined us today on Saturday morning, we have a special value offer for you, a special 30 batch where you'll be getting a 30% off and all you need to pay is rupees 8,400. So let me show you the right coupon code which you can use to activate the care plan. So my team will be sharing a link in the chat box. You can click on that link, apply this coupon code of webinar30 to avail 30% off. And this coupon code is only and only valid for the first 30 patients which we get right now in the next 10 minutes. So this coupon code is valid only for 30 patients for the next 10 minutes. So make sure you enroll for it now straight away. And in the chat box, my team has shared the link. Click on that link, make the payment, apply this coupon code. So we'll just quickly see how to make the payment. And yes, you can open the chat box, click on the link, and can we have the deck for how to make the payment, please? Yes, so you click on the link, you are opened on this slide, and you can scroll it a bit. It's a 14-week journey, healthy gut, nutritionist sessions are there. It's India's very first integrated care plan. Enter your name, phone number details, and if you see the care plan here is for 12,000. But since we are offering a special 30 batch for first 30 people for next 10 minutes, so apply this coupon code. See, now the amount has been changed to only and only rupees 8,400. And here we have the payment options. You can make the payment using HDFC, Kotak Mahindra, ICICI or UPI, GPay, PhonePe, whatever that is convenient to you. So Akash Sangal says that he has completed the payment. Welcome Akash to Daily Bloom IBS team. And I'm so glad you have joined and taken the step in the right direction. And Yugam is asking for the recording of the session. Yes, Yugam, you'll be definitely receiving the recording. We'll be uploading it on our YouTube page. You can access it from there. And all right. And then that's how you can make the payment. Make sure you book 30 seats. And let me check how many of the patients there on the webinar has made the payment so far. Let me just take a quick update. All right, lovely. So we have received the payment from Akash, Vinayak, Yogendra, and Maitri and Aditya as well. Welcome to the team of Daily Bloom IBS, everyone. So we are already booked for the 5 seats. Last 25 seats to go. Make sure you avail this offer because it's a one-time opportunity. Make a good use of it. We are left with another 7 to 8 minutes. Yes, so let me check how many people, how many seats are we again booked with. All right, all right. You can simply click on the chat box link which my team has shared, and Santu is saying the cost is too high. Probably you can avail the EMI facility. Santu, our team can directly reach out to you and help you understand how you can make the payment. And come on guys, I think let me recheck how many people have made the payment. Anuj has already made the payment. Welcome Anuj to the Daily Bloom IBS team. So now we are left only and only with 19 seats. Come on guys, make the payment, gain control back on your life and get started. Just imagine a world where you can travel freely, there is freedom from symptoms, you can relish every single adventure. Digestive health and your overall well-being is there at your fingertips. So make sure you click on the link shared by my team in the chat box. You can apply the coupon code webinar3030 which is valid for another 6 minutes. Make sure you click on the link, apply this coupon code. Your amount of 12,000 will change to rupees 8,400. So what are you waiting for? Don't let IBS take control of your life. With Daily Bloom IBS, we handhold you in this 14 weeks journey. And why should you do this? You should do this because that freedom from IBS symptom is what we give to you. Just imagine traveling to the world, pursuing your passions, enjoying everyday moments without the constant worry of IBS. With Daily Bloom IBS, you can embrace life and relish each and every adventure with confidence. So make sure you click on the link because now I think we are left only and only with 9 more seats. So what are you waiting for? Make the payment and get enrolled in Daily Bloom IBS Care team. And yes, and make sure attendees, you are there till the end because we'll be also sharing a free booklet for 25 plus IBS friendly recipes. Don't let IBS dictate your life. With Daily Bloom, we bring joy back to your life. So yes, these are the benefits you get: improved work productivity, ease in traveling, ease in socializing, freedom from your symptoms. So who all want to gain back control to their life? You can drop your answer in the chat box, and don't worry, if your questions are not answered today, you can drop your questions in the Google form link shared by my team. My best nutritionist and psychologist will be reaching out to you in order to address your question. So Anuj is asking here, when do I get my first call? So Anuj has just now made his payment. So it's a Saturday morning. So he'll be receiving either a call by today evening. If not, Monday first half, he'll be receiving his first call from our team. So an IBS buddy will be allocated to Anuj, who will be hand-holding him for the rest of the 14 weeks and help him understand that what will the program look like, how he can make the payment, and how he can get started with nutritionist and psychologist appointment. So Monday is the first call you get it. And after that, by Wednesday or Thursday, you'll receive your first ever nutritionist call. All right, so Ragwinder says, I belong to middle class family. It's really high cost. So Ragwinder, I understand that, but also we understand that how IBS take the deep clutches on your life. IBS impacts our overall work productivity, our travel, our stress, and that is why an amount of 8400 might look a little overwhelming to you, but the benefits are humongous. Actually, the cost plan is of 12,000, but since you have joined us today on a Saturday morning, we are offering a special 30% off. You can avail this, get on the plan. If not, my team can reach out to you. We can figure out our best EMI option for you and get you started. All right. Let me recheck how many seats are we really left with. Yes. And let me tell you, Raghavendra, IBS is a really chronic condition, which should not be neglected because we understand it has deep impact on our overall quality of life. It impairs person relationships, it impairs person work productivity, it impairs their travel, their socialization, and that is what Daily Bloom IBS is gifting you with psychologist session, with nutritionist session, with yoga session. We are also offering in this care plan 15 blood tests completely free of cost. Diagnostic cost is bared by the Daily Bloom IBS team. Make sure you take the full payment of it. So we have just now received Harish payment as well. So yes, Harish, we have an EMI option also available. My team will reach out to you. Please make sure you click on the Google form, enter your query. If you want to make even an EMI option, put it there. My team will reach out to you and definitely we can get started with the program. So that is the link there in the chat box. Click on the checkout option, enter your details, do the payment which is convenient to you. Either it can be UPI or credit or debit, whatever that is comfortable to you. And those who want to avail EMI option, please do click on the Google form being shared on the chat box. So let me just recheck and see how many seats are we left with now. All right. All right, so we have received so far almost. Okay, just now we have received one more payment from Maitri as well. So welcome Maitri, welcome to the Daily Bloom IBS team, and I am pretty sure that if you follow the program to 100% of belief and care, you'll be definitely seeing change and relief in your symptoms. And yes, so who are we waiting for? We are left with another 4 more seats. So book your slots right away. We are left with another 5 minutes to block the seats. All right. So if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the chat box and our team will be getting back to you. And yes, so who are we waiting for? Let's get started and avail this special coupon code. You can make the payment any other day as well if you don't want to make the payment now. But the cost will actually be 12,000 and no longer it will be 8,400. But for this 8,400, we only have special 30 seats. And I can see more than 100 participants attendees are there making use of the payment out link. And yes, so you can make use of this offer. We are left with the another 4 more seats to go. And if you want EMI option, you can click on the chat box or the form and our team will reach out to you. And make sure you are there till then. You'll be also receiving our free IBS booklet on 25 plus IBS friendly recipes. And these recipes include some common breakfast, lunch and snacks option which you can easily enjoy and relish on IBS. These are also kitchen friendly and safe. And the entire Daily Bloom IBS care plan has been devised in such a way that it is convenient for the patient. As I talked about the previous patient, a homemaker, she was staying in a joint family And for her, we also gave one pot meals, which helped her to cook, not to elaborate meals, but at the same time ease out her kitchen affair. So make sure you unlock the special coupon code today, because now we are left with only and only 4 more seats and another 5 minutes to go for the webinar now. All right. You can click on the link shared by my team, click on checkout link option, grab the offer right now straight away, because we are only left with 4 more seats. It's a special 30 batch specially curated for this particular webinar. All right, let me just recheck how many seats are we really left with. All right, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the chat box. All right, so my team has just now confirmed that we have received one more payment from Yogendra. All right, welcome to the team, Yogendra, and I hope we can help you moving forward with the journey. And I understand taking help is not the easiest option out there, but I'm glad you have taken the step in right direction, and the Daily Bloom expert team will be definitely helping you moving forward. So Naresh is asking, just now I have completed my payment. When can I expect my blood test? An excellent question, Naresh. Thanks for your question. So for example, if you make the payment straight away, make the use of 30% off, my team will be reaching out to you either by Saturday or Monday morning. You can discuss it with them whenever you're free, comfortable, and it is convenient for you. We can send the diagnostic team at your home. Home blood collection of the sample will be done. You need not move anywhere. The team will come and collect your sample, and the results will be shared online. So for example, if you want to do it on Monday or Tuesday, whenever it is convenient, you can expect your blood test, Naresh. It's absolutely based on patient convenience. All right, I think we are also booked now, since Naresh's payment was the second payment, so we are left with one more slot. So last 3 minutes of the plan to go now. And yes, we are left with one more seat. Make sure you make the use of the payment, grab the offer. We are left with only and only one seat. The coupon code is webinar 30. WEBINAR 30. My team has dropped the coupon code in the chat box. Please make use of the coupon code, and my team will help you to move forward with your journey of IBS. All right, we are left with one more seat, so make sure you block your seat right away, because we want to gain back control on our life and let not IBS dictate us anymore. All right, just one more seat, guys. Okay, I think last 2 minutes of the session to go, and let me check, are we all booked for all 30 seats, or do we have any more remaining? Okay, I think we are booked for the last one seat as well. So congratulations, we have Karthik as our last patient who has enrolled for the special 30 batch. Welcome to the Daily Bloom team, Karthik. And thank you so much for everyone for joining us today for the Saturday morning webinar. I hope all of you have made the effective use of the special 30% discount for today's webinar, and you can click on the checkout link. Now that we are exhausted with all 30 seats, need not worry. Fill out the Google form. Our team will reach out to you and provide you the best discounts, the best effective care. See you on next Saturday with more nutritionist and psychologist session. Pat yourself on the back for joining this on the Saturday morning and caring about your IBS and gut health. Kudos to you. Bye-bye and see you later.